Peace be upon you and welcome to Pot of Food. Today we're going to be baking my easy, beginner-friendly homemade pumpkin pie crust without eggs, without sugar, and I'm going to show you how to make this quick pie crust recipe without a food processor, completely from scratch by hand in just 5 minutes. Now don't panic because this is an easy one. I'm going to start by grating my frozen butter. This makes it easier to mix into the pie dough.
If you don't want to do this, you can cut your cold butter into small chunks instead. The grating is just for those who don't want to do it and want it to be done very fast. The next thing we're going to need is a nice big bowl, and we're going to add in our flour and just a pinch of salt for flavor. If you guys are new here, I'm so happy to have you. Please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to help us expand and complete our mission to make everyone's favorite desserts sugar-free and still tasting amazing. Also, if you guys are wondering, I made some awesome recipe cards with all the ingredient measurements and recipe instructions for you guys. They're so cute and make baking a lot easier, so if you're interested, check it out in the description box. Okay, so now we're going to add in the grated butter from before, or cube butter if you prefer, and we're going to start working it into the flour. You can use your hands if you like, but I don't fancy the feeling of flour, so I'm going to use a fork for now. What you're going to want to do is get the butter mixed into the flour just enough so that the flour turns into a sort of wet sand texture. It's okay if you still have some butter chunks showing. That's what we want to make a flaky pie crust. So now I've decided to go in with my hands. I'm sort of just smashing the flour and butter mixture between my thumb to get it to come together nicely. But if you have a pastry blender, you can use this to cut the butter into the flour. I'm making this pie crust completely from scratch today, so my hands are going to have to do all the work for me. Alright, we are almost done. At this point, I can feel the butter and flour coming together, so I'm just going to now add in a little sprinkle of ice cold water. You don't want to use too much. A little goes a long way. I have added about 1.5 teaspoons of this cold water into my flour, and that was just enough for me to form it into a nice holdable formation. This is how you want your crust to be. Not too wet and not too dry, but still coming together enough so that you can hold it and work with it. So I'm just doing a little bit of kneading and pressing just to form my pie crust into a nice ball. Now if you want, you can let it rest in the freezer for 2 to 4 hours before using it, or you can use it right away. And that's it, your homemade pie crust is done. If you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and share it with your friends and family so that this recipe can get out to more people.